Okay, I'm reloaded.
Well, it's the first day out of quarantine. We're gonna go do something fun. So, made some changes again, typical fashion of racing, and see if she goes faster. Make some tweaks on the shocks, and mainly just go out here and play around, then figure out when we're gonna go racing. Whenever they say we can race again. So, should be a good day.
What's the game plan?
I have no idea.
No idea.
Yeah.
Brady, what's your game plan?
What, this?
Mm-hmm.
Fast?
Oh, I understand.
I want it to be a couch.
Okay.
A fast couch. Today we are just dialing the shocks and trying to get some more comfort out of the truck. The speed's there. It's just a little harsh. Want a little more driver comfort for those long races.
That feels way softer and like much more plush for sure.
Okay.
He's saying the front felt a little lazy.
I think like when the front's fully drooped out and you're going through the big hoops, when the front first makes contact, it's just nosing in. Like at the very bottom of that stroke, if it was a little stiffer to keep the front a little bit more positive, I think it would go a long way.
I like this
How would you try to get the truck more forward bike?
Rebound.
Like, cause in washes and stuff, it's like like under full throttle, it's just kind of like hiking up a little bit. Like I wish it would sit and like dig harder, more forward bike.
still like through that stuff over there, it's better, but still a little initially just kind of like but then there's that point where I never know. I'm like, hey, will you ever get it like just to where you don't feel it? I mean, it's
And
still
you want
big.
and you want a little of that.
I can actually finally like launch off the lips of stuff. I couldn't do that before.
So that's when you blip it, it gives it
Yes.
wham.
I did not have that before.
Yep.
No,
Before
you
you would hit it and it'd go wham. Now it goes wham.
Yep, I like it.
No, it's she's good.
Yeah.
That was huge.
Crazy, huh?
Yeah.
Got
No,
it.
like it's a whole different truck.
Almost feels like when you go into the braking bumps and somebody's holding the car up.
I felt like it's like a... Dude, when you go into the braking bumps, it's like you're riding on a friggin' pillow.
Yeah.
No, that's crazy.